Imagine holding the future of blockchain technology right in your hand, a smartphone that does more than just call and text. Today we're diving into a decentralized infrastructure mobile phone, a device designed to bring blockchain and cryptocurrency right to your pocket. From gaming to earning, this phone is changing the rules of the game for everything we think we know about mobile tech. So how exactly does it work and what makes it different from every other smartphone out there? Let's get into it. Xforge is a unique development in blockchain technology, introduced by the company XProtocol as a smartphone engineered specifically for gaming and integrated directly into a decentralized network. Built on the Ethereum Layer 3 protocol and optimized by Base, which is an Ethereum Layer 2 solution, Xforge is positioned as one of the first DePin or decentralized physical infrastructure network devices. And this innovation allows the device to not only perform as a high-performance gaming phone, but also as a node within the blockchain network, bridging mobile and decentralized technology in a way that's accessible to ordinary users. From a technical standpoint, Xforge is outfitted with advanced hardware, including a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, tailored for an optimal gaming experience and the smooth operation of blockchain-based applications. Priced at an affordable $299 during the pre-sale and $499 during the regular sale, Xforge offers users the chance to participate in the network through features like rewards and airdrops. Early adopters, for instance, are given a free Zardian node license, allowing their phones to contribute to the XProtocol network's validation process. And this effectively democratizes the idea of a blockchain node, allowing everyday users to engage in a decentralized operations without requiring specialized equipment or knowledge. Users will also earn Kick token rewards by participating in a DePin network directly from your phone. 10% of the total Kick supply is exclusively reserved for Xforge DePin devices, offering unique rewards for Xforge owners. Now buyers will receive a steady stream of rewards from this allocation, starting from their purchase date until the device is shipped. Now let's also look at the underlying protocol, which is XProtocol, the ecosystem supporting Xforge. And this intends to push the boundaries of scalability and performance, currently handling over 1,000 transactions per second with low fees. Now, XProtocol is also fully compatible with Ethereum's virtual machine, meaning developers can easily adapt existing applications to run on this new platform, which plans to evolve to its own Layer 1 blockchain in the future. XProtocol is a blockchain project centered on transforming gaming and entertainment through Web3 technology. XProtocol essentially functions as a superchain, constructed atop Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution known as Base. And this structure offers high-speed, low-cost transactions crucial for a seamless gaming experience, addressing long-standing issues of blockchain gaming such as slow processing speeds, high fees and complex wallet integration. With a mission to bring millions of gamers into the decentralized world, XProtocol has attracted the backing of several high-profile investors, including Dragonfly, CoinFund and Saison Capital, collectively securing over $5 million to fuel its expansion. XProtocol aims to make blockchain gaming more accessible and engaging. Now, unlike traditional centralized gaming platforms, XProtocol uses decentralized models to empower players, providing them with ownership over in-game assets and a role in decision-making through governance options. This decentralization goes beyond gameplay, allowing users to operate Zardian nodes on the network. The incentive-based model of this project creates an ecosystem where gamers can earn, own and trade digital assets that hold real-world value, thus blending gaming with finance in a unique way. The platform also provides a flexible environment for developers boasting Ethereum virtual machine compatibility. And this setup allows developers to integrate existing Ethereum-based applications easily and offers tools to create new decentralized applications. That compatibility has made XProtocol an attractive option for gaming studios such as Wonderverse, which is developing multi-chain gaming experiences, and Destiny X, which is a super app combining gaming and trading. Now, XProtocol's vision extends beyond gaming. It's working on creating an entire ecosystem that seamlessly connects with various decentralized applications, driving main mainstream Web3 adoption and redefining the entertainment landscape for a digital generation. Scheduled for a mainnet launch by the end of 2024, Xprotocol is primed to set new standards in blockchain gaming, inviting players, developers and tech enthusiasts to participate in a dynamic and decentralized entertainment ecosystem. Through partnerships, cutting-edge technology and a community-centered approach, Xprotocol seeks to lay the groundwork for the future of gaming in a blockchain-driven digital economy. And before we go to the final segment of this video, which is explaining in simple terms why this project could be a game changer, I need you to keep in mind that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. And let's also take a quick moment to promote my cryptocurrency course to you. Welcome to Crypto with Rico presents the Ultimate Crypto Course, a course designed to take you from crypto curious to crypto confident. Whether you're just beginning to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin or looking to dive deep into decentralized finance, NFTs and the metaverse, you've come to the right place. Here, you'll get to know you need to understand how cryptocurrency works, how to secure your assets, and most importantly, how to build a solid portfolio that positions you for long-term success in this rapidly evolving space. Get the course now while you still can by clicking the link in the description, and let's get cracking. So the market potential for Xforge's decentralized physical infrastructure network smartphone in the blockchain gaming industry is substantial, driven by two converging trends: the rapid rise of blockchain gaming and the expanding DePin market. Blockchain gaming itself is forecasted to explode, with some estimates projecting growth from a modest 8.9 billion in 2023 to over 614 billion by 2030. And this surge is powered by the increasing popularity of NFTs, play-to-earn models and decentralized ownership of in-game assets, making blockchain gaming one of the most exciting and fastest growing areas in the Web3 space. Now, on the DePin front, the broader market encompassing decentralized infrastructures like Xforge is projected to reach a value of around 3.5 trillion by 2028. Now, DePin devices like Xforge bring blockchain utility into the physical world, allowing for enhanced user engagement and lower adoption barriers through the direct integration of blockchain nodes into the consumer devices. And this innovation not only addresses market demands, but also bridges the gap between tech-savvy crypto users and mainstream consumers, potentially opening blockchain participation to billions of mobile users globally. So in short, Xforge is a mobile device that combines blockchain participation with high-quality gaming, making it both a practical tech tool and an entryway into the decentralized world. Its layered architecture and commitment to accessibility sets Xprotocol apart as a leader in the push towards a mobile integrated blockchain, aiming to make decentralized networks a staple in the everyday lives of its users. This fusion of gaming and blockchain infrastructure in mobile form has the potential to bring significant disruption in adoption, marking Xforge as a pioneer in the DePin-enabled smartphone space. Now, in the description, you'll find links to the pre-sale where you can get a nice discount on this phone, and I'll see you guys next time.